Behind us is the Las Vegas Strip.
Okay guys, we're at the Long Mountain Park. We're gonna do a little bit around on this trail. This one has a nice trail. It's a little bit longer than the other park we went.
Wow, there's an event going on.
Okay, we're starting at the park.
And we're on our way to the Lone Mountain Loop Trail.
And what it is it's a 3.2 miles heavily traffic loop trail.
This is a dog-friendly trail.
Yeah, it's a kid-friendly hiking.
You can do hiking or walking.
Yeah, you can do walking. You can also do jog, or you can just watch the birds.
Yep. And then there's a lot of nice views, especially the Las Vegas Strip view.
Yeah, if you hike up the mountains, you'll see the strip. But we're not doing that because we have our bikes. You can't really take your bike up there. You can unless you want to carry your bike up there.
Nice, beautiful trail. This is nice too, huh? See all these people with kids, strollers. They can do that here.
It's a smooth surface pavement and dirt road.
And this trail is a loop around the mountain.
Yep, it goes all the way around.
And this is considered as easy trail.
Right now we're still at the park. We're still on our way. Okay, we're almost there. See that mountain? We're gonna ride around it.
Yeah. But you said there is also a shortcut going there.
Yeah, there's a different way getting there. You can take your car, get closer there, or you can start where we started at. That's the front at the park.
Yeah.
Basically, the mountain is behind the park. Since we started at the park, we have to take this route to get there. Okay, we're getting there. Okay, here we are.
Is this going up to the mountain? Huh? All the way to the top?
Yeah.
Oh my God, let's see.
I don't know it's shorter way, so we're staying all in the bottom.
That's okay. That's cute. Kids. Let's go.
Okay, we're on the dirt road.
This is the start of the 3.2 mile, huh? Yeah.
And this one is basically starting up, a little incline.
So if you're walking, you need a nice shoes for dirt shoes, huh?
Yeah, I would. You can use jogging shoes, tennis shoes, or if you're going up the mountain, I would wear your boots.
A lot of people, especially on weekend. A
Yeah,
lot of people walking,
weekends
jogging,
gets busy.
biking. Yeah. I used to go there on weekdays. See, this is a family trail.
Mm.
You can bring your dog, baby stroller. See, going up, you got tired, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Going up, huh? It's nice. You tired? Huh?
Because it's not electric.
Ah, see, I told you why didn't you buy
It's good exercise.
Okay.
For this,
Uh-huh.
it's not made for long distance.
Really?
It's fun in the park,
Oh, okay.
but it's a good exercise.
Oh my God, look. Up on top.
Unless it's a good exercise.
Yeah. So we're going. This is going to the park again.
Go all the way around.
Yeah, let's just go around.
Yeah, that's where we're going. I'll just turn around, wait for you.
Oh, okay.
Took a short rest on this because I'm just riding my BMX bike. And the BMX bike is just a one gear.
Oh my goodness. What was that? So now we're in the street.
The sidewalk in the street.
Equestrian.
Came home from school. Hi there, how are you?
Hi, good. How are you?
Very good.
Good.
So this one is still going up. And this we're almost we're basically on the other side of the mountain now. And it's still going up. So far, still incline.
Yeah. This on the left side, you see houses in there.
Yeah.
And then right side is the mountain.
Yeah.
You're tired? You're tired. Look at you. Huh? You're sweaty. Oh my goodness. So there's a lone mountain. And then over there is the residential areas. Behind us is the Las Vegas Strip. Very nice view right there.
On July 4th, on July 4th, if you want to watch fireworks, this is a good spot to watch it.
The Las Vegas Strip.
You can do it down here, or you can go up the hill, and you'll see even more of the strip.
Or you can also go up the mountain.
Yeah, up in the mountain to watch the fireworks.
Ow! This is better. It's going down. Beautiful view of the strip right there. Let me show you. It's right there. Look at that nice view. Yay.
You can just go through here.
So fast. Passing by the park. Going to the parking space. All done.